Hello, I'm Candice Smith and welcome to 12 About Town today. Before we get started, our Call 12 lines are open for another hour. 804-995-1212 will get you in touch with one of our volunteers. They'll answer questions, help you with a problem, or get your story idea to our team of reporters. Our good friend Johnathan Miller is here. We always love when Johnathan is in the building. Summer, it is here. We are excited for all things summer, and you're on our side with some tips on how we can kind of tackle it. I know Amazon's been giving away some great things. So what's going on, Johnathan?
Now, this one I found, it makes the most sense in the world, especially if you have a linen closet that needs a little organizing. If it's like mine, I've thrown everything in it from the winter, and now I need to be able to compress a little bit because you know, sometimes we end up with more things than we even realize until we start cleaning out that closet.
That part.
I found these amazing storage bags. You can see how this extends here. This is huge. This is a bag. This holds 2 comforters at a time.
That just sounds crazy. A bag holding 2 comforters. Like okay, I'm hearing you. I don't believe you, but I'm hearing you.
Here it is. I have 2 king comforters stuffed in this one.
2 king, comforters in this one. And
not just small ones.
I mean, this is heavy.
Now that's the thing. You are going to get the storage, but it is you are going to also build a little muscle when you put it in the closet because it is heavy.
It's in there.
But they're in there and they're compressed, and you know, it's not one of the vacuum seal things, but all I had to do was kind of sit on it, lay on it, and close
old school.
and zip it up.
Perfect. And so you're saying that they can fit, and then the way to do it, we were talking about this, you know, you have the suitcase, if you will, and it always has that extendable, or you can expand it. And you think that just is supposed to give you more room, but we've been doing it all wrong, Johnathan. Talk to me.
It is literally meant to be there so then you can compress the suitcase afterwards.
So we're doing it the other way.
Think of it, we're talking about throwbacks to the 80s. People used to sit on their suitcase and all the TV shows and stuff, and then they would start zipping, and they were zipping that expander down because it was squeezing all that air out. So it was making the suitcase smaller at the same time. Now, whereas you and I, when we're packing, we're like, oh, we can put more shoes in there.
That's all I heard. Yes.
I can unzip this and I can put more in it. And it's the opposite of where it's like, well, you put that in it and then you zip it up, and then it's going to make it heavier, but it's also going to make it more compact for travel.
I love it. This summer cleaning, these hacks, you're the best. Okay, so we've got that under control. Can we talk about these hats? Because it drives me crazy in my house with my husband. Talk to me. We
can actually zoom into your house right now where your mother's on call. Not really. Just kidding.
Yes.
Where all these hat holders are the most amazing things in the world because you can actually turn it into art on the closet wall. So you can actually put these up, mount it on the wall.
Yeah, you can see,
You have automatic storage for your husband's hats.
There you go.
Then they can literally be on display. It helps keep the shape, so it keeps them nice for him at the same time.
He knows where they are. Honey, where's my Equinox hat? I can't find,
And he can keep seeing them so he doesn't buy duplicates.
There you go.
And when, you get these in a pack of 6, buy him a pack of, 12. Then be like, okay, Cap, you got to get rid of one in order to buy another one.
Yes. See?
I mean, that's
You're working for me, and it keeps the shape. It's helping keep the shape of those hats intact. Okay, beautiful. Now talk to me. This is something I would like.
So I love these little lamps. These have advanced so much from what they used to be.
Yeah.
It is the candle lamp. So it heats the candle underneath, which makes your candles actually last much longer than normal.
Okay.
But also, it gives you a continuous great smell throughout your house because you can put this on a timer. You've got 2, 4, and 8 hours on here on the dial. So you can turn it on. You can leave it on for just turn it on indefinitely.
Yeah.
But then you can also hit the timer on. So if you've got a very strong candle that you want the fragrance, but you don't want the whole house to just completely knock you over when you walk in.
Right.
Put it on for a couple hours. Everything's fresh.
And
everything's light. Everything's fresh, light, and clean. So
I love it. And it's just cute though. Like I really like that. I love my little black and white and golds, and you got me. Okay.
Exactly. And it's always going to smell nice, which especially during summer, you never know. There could be a towel that comes in from the pool that gets thrown in the corner you don't see, and then suddenly there's a smell. Turn the candle on and you'll be fine.
Help me out. Okay, beautiful. And what's this?
Now this was my favorite thing that I found so far.
Very simple.
So you can see I have this cord wound up here this way.
Yeah.
With this, I can attach this to a lamp. I can attach this to an appliance, the toaster, anything.
Yeah.
I have an automatic cord wrapper.
Oh, we're watching.
That makes it clean and nice.
Hide those cords.
All at the same time.
Sometimes that can look so tacky, can't it? You see those wires just hanging all over the place?
And you can attach it to the side of any appliance, any lamp, anything you're going to need to pull out, put back.
Yes.
Keeps it clean. Keeps it organized.
Keeps it away from little toddler hands.
Exactly.
They could just pull things down. Okay.
On their head. Never a good thing.
Yes.
Safety first, kids.
Yes.
Now, speaking of, this is my favorite.
Okay. What is that?
This is a simple thing you can get on Amazon. Comes with a pack of 2.
Perfect.
You take this, you actually insert this into the dryer vent where you pull the lint out every day, because I know you always clean that out before you put more laundry in.
Always.
And it will suck out any of the lint that's
we
escaped.
Can't get with our fingers,
yeah, exactly.
and
it's escaped in there.
Okay.
And if you want to go even deeper, you can pull the dryer out, do that inside of that vent, which we need to do usually like once a year anyway.
Okay.
Because it's a fire safety hazard.
Yes.
You want to make sure that lint gets out of there and is not getting trapped in the wall and building up in that way.
Yeah.
But it also helps with your efficiency of drying time.
Okay.
That was the thing that I learned the most. A lot of times dryers will slow down in drying, and you don't realize it's because the lint has gotten compacted in there, which eventually then burns out your dryer, and you have to do an expensive replacement.
You're saving us bigger money than we even realized.
And
that can just attach to your Dyson or your vacuum that you have at home. We got about 20 seconds left. What about this?
Amazon Prime, any time of the year, you can order your rings. That put that outside. That's going to be able to help you watch the kids when they're outside playing.
Yes.
It's also going to add safety and security.
They're
available year round, and that's going to actually help you keep things a little cleaner inside, because if you know what's going on outside, then before the kids get to the back door and they're all muddy, Mom can check in and be like, no, you don't come in the house with those shoes.
Take them shoes off before you come in my house. All right, Johnathan, thank you so much. Those are some awesome summer cleaning and organization hacks. You can scan that QR code for more details and get your hands on some of these great things and maybe save a few bucks. We'll be back with more Talk About Town today.